Here we have a Volkswagen Polo Mark 6 SE 1 litre TSI 95 PS hatchback. Now, as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include automatic LED headlights, hill hold control, hydraulic brake assist and heat insulating tinted windows. It also comes with 15-inch alloy wheels as well as a spacious boot with a spare wheel. The interior includes a multifunction colour display, wireless app connect and a composition media system with USB. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.